once again at x is equal to 0.2 using Euler's method. So using Euler's, we are going to find out the approximate value. Okay? Using Euler's, the approximate value of y at x is equal to 0.2. We term this approximate value as y2 here. There it was y1 and here it is y2. y2 is equal to y1 plus h times f of x1 y1. So remember these things. There it was y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. Here it is y1 plus h into f of x1 y1 because we have taken x1 and y1 here. So substitution will be once again let us differentiate h times is x1 square plus y1. So it is y1 is 1.1058 plus h remains same and x1 is here it is 0.1 square plus y1 it is 1.105. It will be 1.1058 plus the entire thing underlined. So underline matter value it will be 0.11158. 0.11158. So some value of these two things. Some value of these two things will be 1.2174. 2174. So fourth place again we are rounding off. So this is our y2. y2 is nothing but the approximate solution of y. Okay. Now we have to find out the modified value using Euler's modified. So using Euler's modified method, we are going to find out y2. That is the first approximate solution. First modified, sorry. It is the first modified value. First modified value of y2 here is given by y2 of 1 and that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 times f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 here. Remember the thing that I have changed in this expression. Here it is y2. That's why y0 is replaced by y1 and x0 by x1, x2 by x1, x1 by x2 and y1 by y2. So let us take one more fresh page and continue. It is written the things. So it is y2. It is y2 of 1. The first modified value of y2 is y1 plus h by 2 times x1 square plus y1 plus x2 square plus y2. The value of y1 is 1.1058. 1.1058. H value it is 0.1 by 2. X1 value is 0.1. Y1 value is 1.1058. X2 value is 0.2. Y2 value is the previous value that we have found out. It is 1.21748. It is 1.2174. Now we shall compute the things here. You can see the value of the thing underlined. Value of the thing underlined is 0.11866. It is 0.11866. Just verify it once by using calculators. Okay. So sum of these two things will be 1.2245. So I am rounding up the fourth place. So after rounding up the fourth place, I am getting it as 1.2245. So this is our first modified value of y2. Next, what is the next step? We have to find out one more modified value, that is the second modified value. second modified value of y2. Second modified value is y2 of 2. It is equal to y1 plus h by 2 times f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 of 1. Okay. So now we are going to substitute. It is 1.1058 plus h is 0.1 divided by 2. What is x1? x1 is nothing but 0.1. y1 is 1.1058 plus x2 is 0.2 whole square. y2 of 1 is 1.2245. So now the summation value. Okay. The value of the thing underlined. Some value of the thing underlined will be 0.119015. It is 0.99119015. So now the sum value of these two things. Sum value of these two things is 1.2248. So this is the second modified value. Let us see whether there is an increment until the fourth decimal place. No, we don't have. We are having variation in our fourth decimal place. After the decimal point, the fourth place is having the variation. So that's why we have to go for one more modified value. That will be the third modified value. So the third modified value will be third modified value of which term? Value of y2. Once again, it is denoted by y2 of 3. So the expression is y1 plus h by 2 times f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 of 2. So this is the third approximation. Our y1 is 1.1058 plus h is 0.1 by 2. 0.1 by 2. Let me erase it. Okay. Our h is 0.1 divided by 2. x1 is 0.1 square plus y1 is 1.1058. I just skipped a step here, so it is written in your PDF. Okay, no problem. Now our x2 will be x2 square. x2 square is nothing but 0.2 whole square plus y2 of 2 will be y2 of 2 is 1.2248. 1.2248. The value of this entire thing plus 1.1058. So the value of this entire thing is 0.11903. We are putting it as 0.11903. Now we are going to sum these two things, and we are getting 1.2248 here. So this is our third modified value of y2. So in our third modified step, we are going to have a resemblance with the second and third modified value until the fourth decimal place. So we can conclude here. Thus the value of y at x is equal to 0.2 can be concluded as 1.2248. So these are things that you have to make a note of. So first we have to calculate the value of y at x is equal to 0.1. Then by taking the value of x and y as x1 and y1, we are going to compute the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So that value is 1.2248. Here remember the thing, in the last step, see in this step only, not in this step, here we are Here we are rounding up the fourth decimal place, not in this step. Okay, not in this step. Here we are not rounding up the fourth decimal place. We are going to add the value with this one, and then here in the last step we are going to finalize. That is, we are going to round up the fourth decimal place. After doing such things, we are arriving at 1.2248. Okay, thank you. So I will wind up my class for this problem of this session. We will come again later with some more problem. Okay, thank you.